Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is the flower coolers, and let me give you this unit's overall dimensions first. For this unit's entire length is about like 78 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like 29.5 inches deep. Also, the overall height of the unit is about like 80 and 1/4 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they come with a big frontal banners on there. So actually you can replace any flower colors or any flower styling, the pictures you want to put on here. You just simply to remove the screwdrivers on the side, the cover boards, and you can replace inner side. And we do have a handlebars on each of the door. And look in the centers, we do having the lockers for each of the door too. And look in the bottom on the side, we're having the digital controllers, and they can control the temperature. They can set in from the 33 Fahrenheit to the 50 degrees. And also look in the behind of the units, they will see the ETL sanitation stickers on it, and also have a unit's cost sheets and diagram informations. Beside the power connections, and also this power connection using the standard of 110 plugs. And when we open the door, we can feel them. They have a soft close functions for it. And also the glass doors, they're using the double layer. Now look in the center top, we're having a switchers. You can control the banner lights from these positions. And the inner side dimensions, it is about like 24 inches deep. And the length is about like 74.5 inches. For this clearance height of this entry access, it is about like 48 and 1/4 inches tall. Now looking at the units, we can see they do have LED light strips on both sides, and the shelving height is adjustable. And for the shelvings, they come about like 4 shelvings for the 3 doors. And each door, you can see they're having the handles on the side too. Now looking at the top of the units, we can see they have air circling fans off it, and the water drain pad connect with behind of the backboards. And also the temperature sensors, they will mount here. And this should be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.